Okay, today we're going to look at the Charleston dance step, a classic in jazz dancing, but also really great move to use for hip hop, for all styles really. It's such a diverse move and it's one you've got to learn and add to your arsenal of moves. Right, so first thing you need to know is it's all footwork really, okay? So there's no real arms involved with this, and I'm not going to really give you anything to do with your arms. You can just literally do whatever, okay? This move is all about the footwork. So basically, the easiest way to remember this move and learn it is to know this, okay? So it's heels out, heels in, heels out, heels in. You do it with a bit of a bounce, okay? Bounce, 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 bounce. Once you've learned and understood that, all you need to do is just walk forward, okay? And then walk back, yeah? So we'll go right, left, then left, right. Then repeat. Right, left, left, right, okay? Add them together and you've got the Charleston step, all right? So you can start off by going into the move with the inwards motion, okay? And you go onto the left. The right leg just flicks the heel out, yeah? And one. That would be always the timing. And one, okay? So you would never start on one and. So, and one, and two, and three, and four. Okay, so that was starting right, left, left, right. Let's do that again. Follow along. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Good. We're going to do it again, and we're going to continuous now. We're going to go continuous with it. So that means when we finish, okay, with the right leg back, we just go back into it again. Yeah? Perfect. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Amazing. Let's go a little faster now. 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Good. Excellent. Now with the arms, like I said, do whatever you want. At first, I suggest just keep them down, keep them chilled, okay? But when you get more comfortable with the groove and your brain's not thinking about your legs anymore, just get creative with the arms, you know what I mean? Express yourself. Boom, 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 boom. You can also just continually go forward with the move. Just forward, yeah? And then you can just go backwards. Yeah? So you can get really creative with what you want to do with it. Or you can just go chop and back just with the one leg. So a few different variations we can throw out there, yeah? Let's try to some music. Let's go. What's up? If you enjoyed this tutorial and you learned something, well then you're gonna love what I have in my very own app. I have heaps more tutorials, so many that it's gonna take you days, weeks, maybe even months to get through all the content that I have online. And the best part is I do one-on-one coaching in my app. So that means you can message me privately and send me your practice footage, practicing routines, combos, choreography, or just individual dance moves. I will watch it, give you my time, effort, and energy. I will give you personalized one-on-one feedback to help you succeed. That's what separates me from everybody else online in this space. Okay, so make sure you click the link in the video description below. You go check that out. and I've got a free trial waiting for you all. And guys, do me a favor, if you really enjoyed my content and you want to see more free content on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to my channel, you turn on the notifications button so you can see when I post, and you give this video a big thumbs up. It helps me more than you can imagine, and I really appreciate you all. Thank you.